Welcome to Kitchen Alchemy. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of color therapy. Did you know that colors can impact your mood, energy, and even your overall well-being? Today, we'll dive into how specific colors can bring inner comfort, reduce stress, and improve emotional balance. Let's uncover the hidden power of colors together. Nowadays, psychology receives a lot of attention. The internet is filled with suggestions to consult a psychologist or explore various methods to improve different aspects of life. One of these methods gaining popularity is color therapy. We are all aware of how the color of our dishes can affect weight loss, but color therapy has a broader range of applications. This video will explore these uses. Color therapy, also known as chromotherapy, involves the use of color to improve mental and physical well-being. Many psychologists utilize this method, finding it highly effective. Red is considered the color of energy. It can invigorate a person, giving them strength. However, red has a dual nature. You've likely heard the phrase "like a red rag to a bull," which is associated with aggression. While it's been proven that bulls don't react to the color red but to the matador's movements, red can still evoke irritation in people. Blue is often used to combat depression and insomnia. Various shades of blue, from light to dark, can help stabilize one's mental state and promote calmness. Green is a healer in times of stress and is the color of harmony. It's no coincidence that the natural world is primarily green. This color suits emotions, improves mood, and helps restore balance. Green is also used in therapy to combat phobias. Yellow is a color that radiates energy and positivity. It stimulates mental processes, improving memory and encouraging positive thinking. Interestingly, yellow can also increase appetite, so be cautious with it if you're dieting. Orange, like yellow, has a positive effect on the psyche, lifting spirits and evoking joyful emotions. It, too, can stimulate appetite. Black is often associated with sorrow and negativity, but in psychology, it's seen as a color of restraint and sophistication. White symbolizes purity and order, but it can also provoke anxiety when overused. For this reason, white is often paired with other colors to balance its effect. Gray promotes inner comfort and is seen as a symbol of responsibility and intellect. Each color has a unique influence on people. Warm shades tend to be stimulating, while cold shades are calming. Psychologists believe that every color emits a specific frequency, penetrating the body in different ways. Color therapy is widely used by modern psychologists due to its positive effects on health. This method helps people achieve inner comfort, tranquility, and emotional stability. Patients often find relief from depression, anxiety, and even aggression. You don't need a psychologist to benefit from color therapy. Simply pay attention to the colors you surround yourself with in daily life. For example, the colors of your clothing can directly affect your mood and self-perception. Additionally, being mindful of your home and work environment can help create a space that feels cozy and conducive to well-being. Color therapy is also applied to address various emotional and mental conditions. By surrounding yourself with positive shades, you can foster emotional comfort and improve your well-being. Thank you for watching. Now that you know how colors influence your inner world, why not try incorporating a little color therapy into your daily life? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your well-being.